is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make an anime video. So you want to click animator. There we go. You're gonna click this red circle. You're gonna put blank. Just click on that. There we go. Blank. And you're gonna click what? Alright, got it. So now you wanna get your thing you wanna use. I'm just gonna use that. The color you want it to be. Going to make the same thing I did. So I'm gonna do a shooting star. And new frame. 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 There we go. To do a falling star. So there you go, guys. Hold up. Thanks for watching. Alright, so that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. And I'll get you guys to the next one.